Getting older and turning 65 is great when it comes to being a Kentucky retired teacher. Once you sign up with Medicare and TRS and get on the Medicare Advantage plan, you never have to worry about health insurance again. Never, I repeat, never, even think about more health insurance because you've got all the health insurance that you need. Also, should you sign up for another health insurance plan, TRS will cut you loose and you'll never come back on our insurance plan. This also applies to a spouse who may be on your plan. Once you're on our Medicare Advantage plan, take your Medicare card and put it away somewhere because you never need it. You'll never need it. I used to tell members to bury the Medicare card until I heard about a member out in the state who did just that. She buried it in her backyard. You will never use it. You will never need it. Remember that everyone on your insurance has the same benefits. There's no networks. You can go to any doctor or specialist of your choosing as long as they accept Medicare and will file United Healthcare. You will never need a referral for any doctor. This applies anywhere in the United States. We must always be on the alert to not, I repeat not, give out our Medicare number. Never give out your Social Security number. And that's another card that you really don't need to carry with you. And don't give out your birth date to these salespeople. I figured women wouldn't do that, but it has happened. Now I want to tell you about some scams that are going on. There's at least 3 scams that are out there trying to get information from our retired teachers. First, we have some members who have been calling me, telling me they've received a call from someone impersonating as a United Healthcare representative. After some conversation, they asked for the member's Medicare number. We have had some members to give out their Medicare numbers. Goodness only knows what will happen to that number. I suggest that should you hear of this happening with one of your members, please have them call me. Second, we have some members who've been contacted by someone impersonating a United Healthcare representative, trying to sell a supplemental policy for prescription drugs. Again, we have excellent drug coverage through Express Scripts. We don't even meet a deductible with them. Don't even think about buying extra drug coverage. This will also affect your United Healthcare policy, and TRS will cut you loose from our insurance and you won't have any. Third, we have some members being contacted and told to sign up for Medicaid. Again, don't sign up for Medicaid. If you do, you'll lose our insurance. Our members, our retired teachers, are being preyed upon by scam artists. Let us be very careful who we talk to about our health insurance. If you have any member who has been approached by any of these 3 scam groups, please have them call me and let me know. I'm keeping a list of these members so that we can work with them to try to straighten things out. Now for some more news. Because of COVID, we have had a good number of our members who did not get their wellness check by June 30 and therefore didn't get their $50 Renew gift card. United Healthcare has extended this deadline till December 31st. If you already had your wellness visit this year, call Renew at 888-219-4602. That's 888-219-4602 and ask for your $50 Visa gift card. If you've not had your wellness visit yet, please don't hesitate. Get it done as soon as possible. The way it's looking, we'll probably have another spike in COVID in the next months, and this may affect members being able to schedule a doctor's appointment. If your primary care doctor will agree to bill United Healthcare for a virtual wellness visit, then you can get it done virtually and call and get your $50 Visa gift card. More good news. United Healthcare has relieved our over 65 members from paying any copays to primary care doctors and specialists, which began on May 11 and is going through September 30th. So get as many of your primary care doctor appointments or specialist appointments scheduled before September 30 to keep you from having to pay copays. This is a way to save you some more money. Also, make sure to schedule a house calls visit. House calls is a separate program to Renew's Wellness. Okay? Call and schedule a house calls visit. That number is 866-447-7868. That's 866-447-7868. A nurse practitioner will come to your home. This year, this house calls visit can be done virtually. And they will put in and you will get a $50 Visa gift card. This is new this year, getting the $50. Remember, we do not meet a 365-day requirement on going to any doctors from one year to the next. There's no referrals. You can go to any doctor or specialist you want to. In the last year, there's been much said about the link between loss of hearing and dementia. If you think you're having hearing loss, please go to an ENT, an ear, nose, and throat doctor, and have a hearing test done. Don't go to a hearing aid store to get a hearing test. I have yet to hear of anyone who went to a hearing aid store to get their hearing checked free that didn't end up being told they needed hearing aids. Go to a reputable doctor and have the hearing test done. If you're in the Louisville area, make an appointment with the Hauser Hearing Institute to have one of their doctors check your hearing. This is a very reputable group and one where your quality of hearing is taken very seriously. Then, if you need hearing aids, shop around. Remember, you'll be buying 2 hearing aids. Hearing aids can be purchased for as little as $200 a pair, up to $9,000 to $10,000 for a pair. Hearing aids typically last 3 years. Once you purchase your hearing aids, call United Healthcare number on the back of your United Healthcare insurance card and tell them that you need the paperwork to fill out and get your $500 rebate on your hearing aids. You will get up to $500 back on the hearing aids. In 3 years, when you need another pair of aids, United Healthcare will reimburse you up to $500 again for hearing aids. Now, how many of you know who your beneficiary is for your TRS account? You have a $5,000 life insurance policy on each of our members. If your beneficiary is passed, I suggest that you consider assigning a new beneficiary. This is easy to do and will make your estate easier to close. Go online to TRS and download DB1, Death Benefit 1 form, fill it out. Don't sign it until you have 2 witnesses that can witness your signature. It doesn't need to be notarized, but can be. Now, I'm hopeful that all of our members have a will, and so that their estate will be handled in the way they want it handled. If not, you can call the legal line at 1-800-232-1090. That's 800-232-1090, and talk with Rebecca Merle. She can help you with a simple will for only $50. Also, you might consider having Rebecca draw up a power of attorney, a durable power of attorney for you. If you have any legal questions that don't require research or drafting a legal document, she can answer those questions for no charge. This is a great benefit for all our members. If you think of other questions later, you just give me a call. It's 502-349-0055. That's 502-349-0055. When this pandemic's over and we once again are able to meet in person, I'll be more than glad to come to your meeting and talk about your great insurance benefits. Thank you.